see the court. She can see her blockers.
Back row attack. That's a good choice.
Right.
Point. And you gotta appreciate Coronel also for giving her the chat time on that. What a good-looking set there. Oh, it's hard to read the lefty from the left pin.
And talaga ma-drown out ko yung crowd. But yeah, it's great to have a crowd like this cheering for you.
Oh, wow! And this is gonna be an easy one for the Alessi to set up. UST will get a chance. Perdido. Oh!
UST to pass.
Well, everything working for Lasal in this. Oh! What a in this third set for De La Salle. Malaluan's blocked and again center for DLSU. By the lines, only one blocker in the way, but ball is still alive. Oh, wow! Malaluan going down the line.
DLSU versus Used, Round 2 Elimination. Game Preview, April 27, 2024 is 6 p.m. Who will win the match this time?
Sa round 1 nga, tinalo man ng UST ang Lasal sa loob ng 5 sets sa mga score na 25-18, 25-23, 25-14, 25-16, at 15-12. Player of the game nga si Jonah Perdido with 24 points, 21 attacks, and 3 blocks. Isa nga sa disadvantage ng Lasal ngayon ay ang pagkawala sa lineup ng kanilang ace player at kasalukuyang MVP sa liga na si Angel Canino dahil sa right arm injury. Dahilan din sa pag-step in ni veteran player na si Malaluan. Players match up! Ikaw kabalibulista, sino sa tingin mo ang mananalo mamaya sa laban ng DLSU versus UST? Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!